Good morning, you guys. Good to see you. Man, we got some rain last night. I am desperately trying to make it up to the landfill, but life is just getting in my way every which way I turn. We got so much rain until the hot tub is spilling over into the pool or vice versa. Anyway, we got to get some water out of this pool because the hot tub is trying to heat the entire pool. We'll have a hellacious light bill. I don't know how many inches we got last night, but it rained all night long. I needed one of those little drill powered pumps. But we haven't had rain in forever, and then it just all came at once. I saw some areas I think got like 8 inches of rain last night. I think we were probably in the 5-inch range. So the landfill is probably a mess. That's why we're trying to hurry and get up there. But it's just been one thing after another. My kid didn't have any clean clothes for school, so I had to do some clothes. The cleaning lady's coming in a little bit, so I had to kind of halfway straighten up the house. The phone won't quit ringing, etc., etc. Oh, my back. All right, got my workout in for today. Now, let's head up to the landfill, check on the retention pond, just check on everything. We got a meeting at 10 down at Grassroots Garden Center, and then I don't know what we're doing after that. Move, kitty. Y'all, I swear, every morning I wake up early and I have the best of intentions of being up at the landfill when they start work. And I don't know what happens. There's so much to do as a single dad until like I don't know how people do it. I got to worry about what we're going to eat tonight for dinner. Do we have groceries? I need diesel in my truck. I had to pull off the sheets off of our bed and get them in the washing machine so the cleaning lady can put fresh sheets on the bed. Then he didn't have any clothes. Have you had breakfast? Do you have money for lunch? Then the phone's ringing. This is going here. Hey, don't forget about your meeting at 10. I'm trying to reply to comments on YouTube and check on YouTube and see how the channels are doing and check the news and check the weather. Life's just crazy, man. I need a vacation. Which, speaking of, I am trying to plan one, but my passport is expired, so we got to find some kind of time today to go to the post office to get another passport form because I made it there, got them. Not going to mention any names, but Courtney may or may not have filled it out wrong, so I think we need to go back and get a new passport form. Add that to the list with the other gajillion things we've got to do today, and let's get our ass to work.
Good morning.
And there's Trouble. Hey, Trouble, how you doing today?
I'm doing fine, thank you.
We got a little bit of rain last night, I believe.
Yeah, some wind too.
Did we?
Yeah, it blew a cushion off my front porch out of the driveway.
Oh, really? I didn't hear the wind, but I heard the rain, but I slept good last night, man.
You did? You feel better today?
I do feel better today. Got a million things to do, but I feel better.
Well, that's good.
Yeah.
You get everything taken care of yesterday?
No. Oh, Dad. Gotta love him. All right, my phone rang as Dad and I were talking about some business. It's 9:09. We got a meeting at 10, so that gives us about 30 minutes to get our butts up to the landfill, see how much mud they're slinging, and check on that retention pond. And the phone is ringing again. You know, if it weren't for this phone, I might could actually get something done during the day. I mean, it's just non-stop. I really just want to throw it into the landfill right now and watch the compactor run over it. It's a necessary evil for business. We gotta have it. I understand that, but damn, sometimes, y'all. Let's get back to some landfill content. Looks like they're slipping and sliding pretty good, but it perked pretty well. It looks okay through here, guys, but the more traffic that comes, it just kind of churns this stuff up and turns it into pudding. And I think our buddy with waste management around here then got a little bit stuck. Might have to give him a little bit of help. buddy. There we go. You having fun yet, Marco?
Yeah.
So I know. Yeah, that's all we can do is apologize. I mean, can't do anything about the rain. So Aaron did tell me he was going to bring some surge stone around here first thing, which it looks like he did, but all that's already gone. We might have to continuously throughout the day bring some of the crushed concrete around here just to give the guys some traction. You can see right there just how easily you lose your rock that you bring around here. These guys have got to get the loads pushed, dropping that blade. Just kind of eats into it. I can still see some of the rock, but it's just so muddy. You know, it's helping some, but as you can just see there, it's just slick. See how much has changed since yesterday. I know they had a couple hundred tons come in, so it's changed a little bit, but maybe not a lot that you can tell actually on the video. Let's see. So we had a little bit of water holding down in the bottom, which is not good. We want all that water to drain out. We may get Sam to come down later, see if we can unplug the bottom of the cell there. Sam's kind of getting prepared to dig this ramp out, as we talked about in previous videos. A lot of sellable sand in that ramp, so he's getting it prepared up top so we can come down to the bottom. We'll load that out, dig that entire ramp out all the way to the wall. But yeah, I think we might have to get him come down here and unplug that bottom of that cell. That clay just kind of gets down in the bottom there, creates a plug and won't let the water perk on out. but watching that and hearing that crunch just makes me feel better no matter how stressed out I am. There's gonna be a lot of chain hooking today, just helping folks get unstuck, I'm afraid. Hey, check it out, we got another boat in. I don't know why everybody's throwing their boats away lately. Let's go check it out. Man, it is mucky. An old glass master. Pretty cool old boat there. Man, I wish we had that shredder around here to make y'all some shreddo vision. It was really fun when we ran the boats through the shredder at the Roto Chopper demo last week. I think everybody thoroughly enjoyed that part. I know the guys will be really happy when we get down into the new section and have some breathing room, because right now we've got a tractor trailer. It's going to probably block that guy in. It's just got no other choice right now. Uh-oh, might have turned it a little too tight, bud. Probably going to have the entire working space blocked. Man, I thought you had it for a second. Yeah, I'm sorry, man. That rain really messed us up.
Hey, I'm with this all time.
Yeah. Part of being a driver, ain't it? You want them to give you a little love tap, or what you want to try to do?
I'm gonna see.
Okay, we put some rock down this morning, but it's gone already. Yeah, see what you can do and then let us know how we can help you. He got the excavator right there if you want. Yeah. This is going to be a very common sight today. And again, we just always try to be careful with people's trailers so we don't bend up tailgates and what have you. Try to be respectful of everybody's equipment. He's gonna make it. The bad thing is he's kind of in a turn now. We've got the service truck on the other side. There we go. Maybe. Maybe. There you go. I'm not sure if it's going to rain anymore today. Honestly, I can't remember. I looked at the weather, and I think that's when my first phone call was coming in this morning, and I didn't pay good attention to it. Hopefully not. It's muddy. Just another day. Appreciate you. All right, catastrophe averted. Is that how you say it? Or avoided? Whatever. Let's go down here and look at the retention pond, because we've got to hurry up and get to our meeting down at Grassroots. So what I'm having a meeting down there about today is, y'all know I have the other channel, Grassroots Gardening. Haven't done a tremendous amount with it, mainly because my yard's so jacked up from the hurricane. But the meeting today is about our future business venture. So we're building a website where we can sell plants online and then ship them all over the country. Not world just yet, but all over the country. So I'm very excited about that. I'm hoping we can get it launched here in the very near future, because that's just what I need, is a whole nother business venture. I don't know what's wrong with me sometimes, you guys. I'm just a glutton for punishment, I believe. Well, I'm pleasantly surprised. This doesn't look too much different than yesterday. We had a little bit of washing right here. Not a lot of material came down off of the side of the slope of the landfill, but you know, it was just a steady rain all night long, not just a gully washer. So that probably helped, gave the rain a little bit more time to perk into the sand versus just blowing stuff out. And thank goodness our pond looks good. Yeah, not bad at all. A decent amount of silt made it down here, but not near as much water was held than I thought was gonna be, because I was laying there in bed last night. I've got an old, y'all seen my house. I've got that tin roof, and I was listening to that rain come down, and I was really concerned about this for a brief second, because then I passed out because I was tired as crap yesterday, and hearing that rain come on that tin roof, man, I was out like a light. Okay, well, the pond did its job. Looks like it was probably another foot or so higher. You can tell by that black ring around the side of the pond, but did its job, held the water. We still need to come down here and put that pipe in regardless, because this winter, if it does get super rainy, we want to make sure that we have an outlet and we don't breach this pond. Well, that's a relief, and that's a win that we very much needed, because today is going to be a busy day. I'm gonna haul butt right now down to the garden center, do my meeting. Just wanted to give y'all a little update because I promised I would. Thanks for watching. Give the video a thumbs up. I'll see you on the next one.